About this item: widely compatible all iWatch series. Our watch charger magnetic charging cable compatible with all iWatch models: 38mm, 40mm, 42mm, 44mm, compatible with iWatch series 8/7/6/SE/5/4/3/2. Lightweight and portable USB cable, to meet the use of various scenes in daily life. Cable length, 3.3 ft/1 m. High-speed charging. Our iWatch charger cable built-in newest and advanced chip to support fast and safe charging speed. A full charge takes about 2.5 hours. After the watch is fully charged, it will automatically stop charging, and the watch will be protected. It will not be damaged by overcharging. Note: for a better charging experience, we recommend you to use 5V/2A adapter or iWatch original adapter. Also, the watch charger USB port can connect with any USB-enabled devices. Intelligent protection and reliable quality. Unlike similar products on the market, our magnetic charging cable better solved the issue of hot/not charging slowly. Our watch charger has passed the most advanced certification, which can provide your devices with intelligent short-circuit protection, overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, overcharge protection, and high-temperature protection, and allowing you to have a safer charging experience. Strong magnetic charging and ultra-thin and light design compatible with iWatch charger with strong adsorption, perfectly snaps and centers to the charging coil on the back of your watch charger.